And we're seeing storms like we've never seen before.
There is a storm coming like nothing you have ever seen, and not a one of you is prepared for it.
Because this storm that they're talking about is going to be worse than any storm we've ever seen in human history.
Let's talk. You know that I'm an Atlanta native. I was born here, I was raised here, I've lived in Georgia my entire life. I experienced the big storm in the 70s, the ice storm then. I've experienced all the winter weather storms we had in the 80s. I was working here at 11 Alive for the blizzard of 93. So we've experienced a lot together. And I have to tell you, this system that's coming up this weekend has me very concerned. It is rare that we see everything lining up the way that it is right now. You know, a lot of times when we're forecasting winter weather, it's like, well, we're on the line, it may or may not happen. The models have been very consistent with us not only having some sort of winter weather, but that winter weather may be composed mainly of ice. And that is our nightmare. We do not want ice here, but unfortunately, that's what we see that is coming our way based on what we're seeing right now on this Tuesday afternoon. So I want you to be prepared. Please listen to us daily. Know that we are not doing this for clicks. We're not doing this for likes. We are doing this to let you know what we really see and what we want you to prepare for.
Okay, so you can see that things are really weird and what's going on around here, especially with the noise that's coming from the air right now with the storm and the weather acting like it's never been before, making people crazy and acting very strange.
It's actually something that's happening.
These men all live in the area, didn't know each other before the voices started, and say someone is playing mind games with them.
Mostly it's a lot of derogatory comments about whatever you're thinking about.
This far.
Kevin Bond says he used to have a normal life.
I was living in the San Diego area. I was cooking for a federal judge. I started hearing, as you'll hear, the hearing voices, and what they'll call voice to skull or microwave hearing.
Bond says he's found more than 300 victims locally and is tracking others across the state through billboards.
Okay, so this story is old, but then these people are experiencing noises that are coming into their head, and it's coming similar to what's going on right now, right before the storm.
Taking out the trash from his home in Lewisburg, North Carolina, when a loud noise startles him. He grabs a smartphone and records this. The video shows Dylan's backyard. Nothing special, except for that consistent, blaring sound piercing the suburban quiet. It sounds like the source must be nearby, but there's nothing in sight.
The duration varies from a few seconds to several minutes, and it's difficult to describe.
We were hearing this like siren-like quality noise, whirring, oscillating up and down.
The Herald started hearing the sounds 2 weeks ago in Clifton.
My son came up to me and said, "Dad, the tornado sirens are going off."
And it's been happening every night since.
Usually it starts at about 10 p.m. It can go till 3 a.m., 4 a.m., but it's quite unpredictable.
And it kind of stresses me out because I don't know what it is, and it's kind of scary.
It's got a lot of people talking on Facebook, speculating about the source.
Hey, put your gun away. Put your gun away. Don't have to.
Okay, so people are going really crazy hearing this noise, and you got to wonder if this noise is actually interfering with our thinking. Is it interfering with the weather? What is it, and what could it be?
It sounds like the source must be nearby, but there's nothing in sight.
They're talking about that this sound that they're hearing is one of the sounds from the book of Revelation, and this is one of the things that they're talking about. But
the apocalypse or the end times are going to be heralded by these trumpets, the trumpets of Revelation.
Yeah, but that's not it. Here's what they think it might be.
But journalist Alexis Brooks suggests another theory. What if the sound is part of a secret program? The U.S. government has previously used high-frequency pulses to study the Earth's upper atmosphere, but many believe these sounds can be used to cause floods and hurricanes. Others say they can down planes and cause chronic fatigue.
Some people feel that advanced technology is being used to puncture and literally shift the ionosphere. Some feel that the weather is being controlled and perhaps used for nefarious purposes.
Okay, guys, you tell me what you think. Like and subscribe and share the video.